Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a clickable link to your eBay listing description. If you're selling on eBay and want to drive more traffic to your store, promote related products, or guide buyers to important pages, adding a clickable link inside your listing description can be a powerful move. But here's the catch. eBay doesn't always make this obvious, and you need to use a simple HTML method to make your link clickable. Once you understand this, you can make your listings more professional and more effective at converting buyers. First, open eBay and log in. At the top right, click on My eBay. This will take you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This opens your seller dashboard where you manage listings. Now go to Drafts under the Selling section. Find the listing you want to edit and click on it. Clarification. You can also do this for active listings, but drafts are easier to edit as an example. Scroll down until you find the description box. This is where your product details are written. Inside the description editor, look for an option that says Show HTML code. Turn this option on. Clarification. This switches your editor from normal text view to HTML view, allowing you to insert code that creates clickable links. Now, in the HTML space, paste your link using this format. Replace your store name with your actual eBay store name. You can also customize the text. For example, check out my store or view more items. Once you've pasted your code, turn off Show HTML code. Now your link will appear as a clickable text link inside the description. Finish editing your listing and save the draft, or update your active listing. Your clickable link is now live, so now you can go and list it. Using eBay HTML options allows you to enhance your listings and guide buyers more effectively. To summarize, adding a clickable link on eBay involves going to your listing, enabling HTML view, pasting a simple anchor tag with your store link, and turning HTML view off to display it properly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.